fire! Cover, cover, cover!
Hey, look, we got 12 prisoners, man. There's somebody down there. Move up to the field. I got him back.
You watch the right side, help, I got the left.
I see someone behind the building.
He's somebody to push down.
Prisoners can't move past the building.
You got him? Mustache, you got him? Yep.
Get him? No.
Hit.
I got.
Cover fire! Hey, is it good?
Grab it. Come on.
Jacob, come down here. Go ahead, go cover that building.
Get eyes on him! In the building! Get eyes on him!
Yeah.
I got the door. Are you moving?
That building. Move in on him, move!
What's up?
Yo, I need a water!
All right, take it back. Take it back.
Building's clear!
Watch that wood line.
There's like 4 of them.
Stay right there.
Prisoner at a sword. Well. I don't know where she's from. Hurry up! Move, 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 move! Get out! Yeah! Somebody get the sniper! Keep moving right! Move to the right! Keep moving right!
He's hit.
Keep moving right! There's no
Get him, take him!
Go, 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 go. Don't give him any space.
Ballahack!
If you let them take the POW and change your side.
I'm hitting the medic.
You have to move me out.
Get down, get down.
Back.
Aww.
Hold up. Hey, y'all gonna shoot us on the I need cover.
Get to the chopper now!
Keep him behind the tree. Okay. Marines. What's up? What's the plan?
We don't want to go this way. They're all in the woods.
What time is it?
I got camel back.
You got 2 minutes.
You have 2 more minutes. You cannot move it for 2 more minutes. Over.
Is that 4?
We already get 4?
Take it.
Get it. Escort. Go.
I just said sorry. I let off too big of a bird. Medic! No, you can't talk.
If there's another guy lurking right now, we promise you're going to get 2 prisoners in.
That 30 seconds thing cleans out. Can we just get him? Our boy, get him back in the fight.
Go for it.
Yeah, you just hurt the man up, boy.
Hey, no, I'll be right back.
When do we take piece 4?
What?
Do we take piece 4 now or half hour from now?
Half hour from now.
Okay.
We just took that piece.
And we stay in the same place? Huh?
You want?
Got a little contact to the south.
Drink up, guys.
Thank you.